What up, y'all? Welcome back to my Gamer Life YouTube channel. All new game, all new episode. It comes to you every day. Now, today we are gonna be doing some motorcycle racing, man. I just downloaded the game. It's a demo, but I'm planning to get the full game. Don't worry. You already know. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn your post notification on, make sure that it's on. And yeah, Team Addict in the building. Already know, man. Yeah, we're gonna do some racing today, yeah, y'all. So, yeah, man, this me. How you going? You know what I'm saying? You know, I played it I tried it first before I made a video. Pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna like the video, man. It's something new, you know what I'm saying? New videos, bro. You know, already just hit that like button, y'all. That's me, Team Alex 97, and he and some other people, our computers, I don't know. But you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be trying this, y'all. We're gonna be trying this, y'all. Alright, let's go. Oh, there we go. There we go. You know, sometimes you crash about that, but get back up. Ooh, I like this game so much, man. Do some wheelies. Hear it out. Huh? 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 Yeah. Hit it. Oh, I crashed again. That's twice, man. Ah. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hit that. Bite yourself. Oh my God. A lot of air. A lot of air, people. That's all right. That's all right. Huh? Oh. Oh. You see that, y'all? Come on now. Come on now. There we go. Let's see. I'm in third place, man. I'm trying to get that gold. Trying to get that silver, y'all, man. But I got bombs. Like I said, I only played a couple times, man. Yeah. Let's try again, man. Let's see. Alright, let's hit it for the, let's try again, y'all. Let's see what's up, y'all. Let's see what's up. Man, let's see what's up, y'all. Let's try again, man. Let's see what's up, buddy. Let's see I hit with the gold, man. Or the silver, yo. Ah. I gotta be ahead of them. You don't see them probably in the camera, but there's some people also racing. I'm not the only one. You know what I'm saying? So, I gotta... You know what I'm saying? Oh! There we go! There we go! Hit that bump! Oh! Hit that brown! Oh! 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 I'm probably in second place, y'all. Oh my God! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, I'm crashed. I crashed. I got too cocky, y'all. Damn, man. I'm telling you, oh my god. I crashed again, y'all, man. This, you gotta take some time to do this, man. That's all about, you know what I'm saying? Some wheelies. Yeah. Oh my god. Man. That's all about, you know what I'm saying? Practice. Practice make perfect, y'all. Remember that. Remember that. Remember that. Oh. Remember, practice make perfect, y'all. Ah! There we go. Hit that. Hit that. I think we in the underground shit. My bad for my language, but I think we in the underground shit, y'all. Oh my god, look at this air, bro. God damn, bro. Like I said, I only played the game like a couple times, y'all, for it. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that, bro. Oh, you see it? You see? Oh my gosh! You see how he just flew like that, y'all? That shit crazy, bro. Hold up, let me hold that thought for a minute, y'all. I'm in third place again. Hold that thought. All right, back, y'all. Oh, y'all, I'm back. All right, y'all. Let me try one more time on this one, though. Let's see. There we go. Yes. Hit it. Oh. Oh. Hit it. Oh. There we go. 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 There we go, man. Oh, crash. You saw that? You saw that crash, man? Damn. One time for the vibe. Woo! Oh, crash, man. Little crash. Oh, I like that. Ooh. Crash again, man. Oh, oh, got the wheelies. Got the wheelies. Hit it. Hardcore. Hardcore. There we go. Oh, and crash. Oh. No, I'm not. Oh. In the lava, bro. Never mind the dog in the back. Our dog in the background, man. We're still gonna get it work. Oh. Oh, hardcore. Hardcore. Ooh. Come on, hardcore. Hardcore. Oh, hardcore. Get it. Get it in there. Oh. Oh my. Oh my god, he did a whole flip, man. He did a whole flip. I'm telling you, man. He did the whole flip, man. Damn, man. The way they fall. It's so funny. Of course. Oh, bust. Oh, fire. Oh, core. Get that hardcore, Willie. Oh my god, man. One time for the. Ooh. For the one time. Huh? For the one time. Oh my god. I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh. And, bruh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Dang. And you could retry over. It's not like... Oh! He got aired. Look at him fly. Oh! And he did. Alright, we're gonna go a different map. Alright, y'all. And if the camera go out, then that's gonna be it, yeah. So I'm gonna tell you right now, already hit that like button, subscribe, turn your post notification on, and gamer life all day long, man. Oh, here we go. He gonna fly. And we got what? Bomb. Yeah, bomb. Yep. Me in 4th place, y'all. Team battle in 4th place. I'm gonna continue that. But y'all see enough, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see enough. Y'all see enough, you know what I'm saying?